In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the API key for X, Twitter. This process is essential for developers looking to integrate with Twitter's services. Let's dive right into the first step. Start by signing in to the X Developer Portal. To do this, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the X Developer Portal. Once the page loads, you will see a prompt to sign in. Enter your X account credentials, which typically include your username and password. Make sure you have these details handy. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. This action is crucial because it grants you access to the tools needed to create and manage your applications on the platform. Once you are logged in, you will be ready to move on to the next step. Next up, you need to create a project and an app. On the main dashboard of the developer portal, look for the option that says Create Project. If you see a prompt asking you to create an app instead, go ahead and click that. You will be taken to a form where you need to enter some required information. This includes the project name, which should reflect the purpose of your project, and your use case, explaining how you intend to use the API. Additionally, you will need to provide an app name. This is an important step as it helps organize your projects and keeps everything clear. After you fill in all the required fields, complete the setup by following any additional prompts. This ensures that your project is properly configured for future use, making your work easier as you continue. Once you have your project and app set up, it's time to get your API credentials. In the developer portal, locate and open your newly created app. Within your app's dashboard, find the tab labeled Keys and Tokens. Clicking on this tab will reveal your API key secret, and bearer token. These credentials are vital for authenticating your application when making requests to the Twitter API. If you find that you need new credentials for any reason, there is an option to click Regenerate. This lets you create a new set of credentials, ensuring your application can continue to function securely. It's always good practice to keep your credentials safe and secure, as they are key to accessing Twitter's features. As you gather your API credentials, remember that these keys are sensitive information. Sharing them can lead to unauthorized access to your application. Therefore, treat them with care. This little step of maintaining security saves you a lot of trouble later. You will see a confirmation appear once you have successfully generated or retrieved your credentials, providing reassurance that you are on the right track. Now that you have successfully obtained your API key and other credentials, you are ready to start integrating with the Twitter API. With these tools at your disposal, you can begin to explore the vast possibilities of what you can build or analyze using Twitter's data. Each of these steps is designed to guide you through the process efficiently, ensuring you have everything you need to succeed. In conclusion, always remember the importance of securing your API keys and keeping your account information private. This will help maintain the integrity of your applications and ensure a smooth development experience. Thank you for watching and happy coding.